All right, so it's officially that time. You guys have been harassing us no matter what we post on our channel. You guys don't seem to care about anything but 190s. So we're gonna build some 190s for you guys. But first, we're gonna have to consolidate them all to one place, and then I'm gonna break it down for you. Some of them we've already got a start on them. Some of them we're just jumping them off. We've been gathering parts, and now for the first time, we have all of them in one place. So let's get into it.
That's actually pretty awesome.
You know what's the problem with it? There's no gas in it.
Ain't got
no gas in it.
I thought I built that one. I've got the magic touch.
Yep. Send it.
Let's do it. Elvis's car is at the bottom, so I don't know.
I know. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. My jack is down there.
Look at all those Benzes.
That's crazy.
So cool.
We're stacking 190s in the shop right now. We're prepping for the upcoming weeks.
190.
So, unfortunately, these
You
ones
want
all
back
sat
in
for a
too?
while, so most of the batteries are dead. That sucks.
Yep.
That's
Let's fucking back it.
part of the issues of having a lot of cars.
The evolution of the Evo.
Oh yeah, it's delicious looking.
Okay, well, we might as well start at the top. This is the one that jumped it all off. This is the one that we're most known for. This is the Evo. So this one, I have a few little changes that I want to do to it. I got some steering parts that I want to change, a little bit of reinforcing, nothing really, and then we're going to get out and start beating on this thing. I know we've teased you with that a bunch of times, but this time, I swear to God, it's for real. We're going to do it. So this one is what's inspired a bunch of other cars. So we can jump into the first one. This particular car, this guy is doing the M130 motor, the supercharged V8 with all the VRP speed equipment, but he wanted to keep it pretty subtle. So he's not going as wild as the Evo. This is the Evo 1 kit. So we're doing a complete drivetrain swap with this one, but this one's gonna be somewhat low key, a little bit of a sleeper. This particular one, this one is very much the same situation. This gentleman reached out to me, he wanted the Evo, and almost to the same level as mine, not quite. He wants to stay on brand, same thing. He's doing the supercharged Mercedes V8. But in the interim, he actually watched my video because he had the same problem as me. I have a 2.516, didn't make sense to cut it up. So rather than getting wild with this one's getting a basic restoration, cleanup, repaint. We're gonna clean it up. So during that conversation, he didn't change his mind. He still wants the Evo. So he found a nice, clean, base model donor car. So this one, we're gonna tear it apart. We're gonna get wild. This one's getting the first Evo kit. I know a lot of you guys want one, but he gets the first one because he's the first one to step up to the plate. So he's gonna get 001, and he's also doing the V8 in it, but this one we're getting crazy and doing all the stuff to it. And then after that, there's one more 2.516 that's getting a mild restoration, maybe Evo 1 kit. So that's what we got going on.
You didn't even mention where these two cars are from.
Oh.
Where are they from?
Where's these ones?
Yeah.
These ones are from Ireland. This
So
guy
awesome.
shipped the cars here from Ireland.
Right-hand drive.
Yeah, right-hand drive. This guy's been great. And honestly, all three of these guys, while we've been working through all the different stages, have been super, super patient. So they're gonna get a little bit more than everybody else.
Aww.
I'm gonna give them just a little bit more
sweet.
spice.
So nice.
So there's a tidbit for you.
Just look at all of them.
Yeah.
Like, how does it feel to have all of them in one spot?
I think
one location.
Well, ultimately, this is the way I wish it was all the time. This is the dream. This is what, you know, like when I jumped off my project, I didn't think I would be doing this. I don't think I'd be shipping Evos all over the world, but, and I've actually turned down a lot because we got to focus on these and we got to get these done and get them on their way. They've been more than patient with all the different challenges over the last little while, gathering parts and getting everything in place. We're pretty excited to jump it off, and hopefully we don't have any false starts this time and we can just keep the content coming. So I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
So with your car, do you have any specifics of what you intend to do? Because I know when we were trying to push this car here, we kind of had some problem with the steering.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough steering angle, so it's something that I wanted to correct from way back when, but I just honestly don't get time to work on my own stuff. Mm-hmm. So this time it needs to get done, and we need to get it out there, and we need to have some fun with it. So, and then I'm going to develop a few little other parts that are going to get put into these cars, and it may ultimately become available to other people. So that will resolve a bunch of problems that I see because obviously I follow a lot of these projects online of other people doing swaps, and some of the common problems and roadblocks they've run into. I have a few parts that I'm going to put together for this one that will help them resolve the problems that they're having. So coming up, aside just from the kit, there's going to be some swap parts that may help some of these other cars that have stalled out get back on the road. So
sweet. When do we expect to see episodes on these? Because I'm sure the people want to know. So, because you're gonna start working on this Christmas, right?
We have a whole bunch of parts. We have a bunch of sponsors that have helped us out. A couple of the other big modifications that I plan to do this is Nuke Performance gave us air jacks. Ooh. So that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna finally get those in here. I know we've threatened them a couple times, but you know, world events had an impact, obviously, especially on the shop. So if you're wondering why it's stalled out a bunch of times, it's like, we're a business, I gotta stay in business, so I gotta put my efforts where they're most valued. So that's kind of why this is stalled out a bit, but we've been gathering parts consistently, and we're gonna get all those things into the car, so it's gonna be the Evo version 2.
Yep.
So it's coming.
Sweet.
But yeah, I'm actually allowed to spend time to work on it.
That's good.
So
that's awesome.
It's gonna be fun.
Sweet. So we're also gonna make videos on all of it too, because it's I think it's extensive what you have to do to this. Not really extensive, but
it's pretty extensive.
It's gonna take a while.
What I have to build is not. It's gonna be fairly extensive.
Yeah.
But like I say, some of the things that I'm building are to correct things that I wasn't completely happy with, that will ultimately make some of you other guys' motor swaps, especially in the rack and pinion steering part, some motor mount stuff, and just some clearance issues that you're going to run into if you want to start putting big power plants in these cars. These parts will not only work for my car, they'll probably help resolve some of the issues that you're going to find in your car. So those will become available at some point. And a few of these other projects they're going to allow us to develop some parts too. Not just aero pieces and body kit pieces, but just some little convenience items that I think this particular platform is lacking. So it's, these are the guys on the front end of it.
Sweet. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, follow along. We're gonna try to stay as consistent as we can. We got them down here, we have them all together, and now we're gonna get after it. So keep commenting, even if it's just to harass us to make sure that we get all of our content out there. But yeah, we're gonna stay with it and get going.